future of semiconductor technology starts with advanced testing. But test challenges grow for 2 nanometers, AI chips, and chiplets. IC testing used to be an afterthought, but now it's vital. As chips have grown more complex, effective testing is critical to ensure they meet design specs and perform reliably. Testing helps catch defects early, improving yield rates and ensuring the chip's safety and functionality. Today, IC tests use advanced techniques for deeper verification. After chips are made in a wafer fab, they go through multiple steps: parametric testing, wafer probing, package testing, and finally, system-level testing using automatic test equipment. Managing thermal control and performance is key to AI chip reliability. With multiple cores running at different speeds, hotspots can form. Predicting and controlling these hotspots is vital. Chiplet technology introduces a whole new set of challenges. Testing these interconnected modules requires absolute precision, because even one faulty chiplet can lead to failure of the entire system. The arrival of 2 nanometers technology in gate-all-around or GAA transistors is another leap forward, promising enhanced performance but also more complex testing. The integration of GAA transistors also demands enhanced DFT and BIST strategies to ensure comprehensive coverage and efficient testing processes. Advantest is innovating solutions that stay ahead of these rapid technological changes. Our V93000 exascale SoC test system tackles the intricate needs of AI and HPC devices.
At Advantest, testing isn't just about today's technology. It's about building the foundation for tomorrow's innovations.